Congratulations on the purchase of your brand new BOM. We hope you enjoy flying it as much as we enjoyed making it. In this video, you'll find some instructions and tips for installation, but please keep in mind anything that you see here is for experimental aircrafts only. If you have a type certified airplane, please contact your A&P for installation.
Hello, my name is Ruben Leon. I'm the president of Levil Technology, or Levil Aviation. Today we're going to demonstrate how to install the BOM. First thing we're going to install is the bench-shaped bracket. It's a bracket that we have to bend it to the shape of the wing. First things that we have to do is look for a place where we're going to install this. So you need to have at least 3 pounds of thrust putting forward, 10 pounds of pulling down, and 5 pounds sideways. The bracket comes with a hole. This hole should be in the rear of the wing. So put it on the rear, and you can see that the wing has a curve, and we have to bend the bracket to the curve. Now that we have bent the bracket to the curve, we have to test it, and we see, okay, it fits relatively good. And now we can just drill the holes to match the holes of the wing. You use a threaded holes. The 1032 knots will be the minimum that you should use. And mark the holes the best you can. Once you make the first hole, try, because usually holes are hard to make. So make sure you have it right. Oh, it looks good. So let's make the second hole. Okay, and once we have the two holes, they look good. They look good. Just put the screws back. Now, we should screw the plate with the groove section to the rear of the airplane. In the middle of the groove, set the edge of the BOM to the wing core of the wing. Set this angle to the wing core. The screw now really well, and use a 3/16 drill bit for the other hole. Okay, install your second screw. 2 screw installs. It is all already somewhat level. We'll put back the screws. Okay. Now you have to do a test to make sure it is strong enough. Remember, the BOM should be able to stand at least 3 pounds forward motion. So this one is more than 3 pounds. 5 pounds sideways motion, and 10 pounds pull motion. Now that we have installed the bracket here, we now can install the BOM. All we have to do is remove the 2 screws from the installation and fit it through the holes. We mark the holes. Use your protractor to set the angle. Now 3 pounds forward, okay. 5 pounds sideways, 10 pounds pull. Very important. Okay, and we're ready to fly. I'm gonna take off the inspection plate to make sure that the screws using the inspection plate at least 10-30 seconds and not type screws, not plates. It has to be a strong installation. Okay, we remove the inspection plate. Inspection plates are not very strong. They are 50 plates, so you can purchase a plate which is 1/16 thick on our website and try to fit it here, so you can replace the inspection plate with this. They come already with the brackets or already rivet to the plate. When you install the BOM, the bolts are going to be hidden, so it looks nicer installation. It's going to be something hidden like this, and the BOM will be like that. So this installation is nicer looking, but as anything in the world, nicer means more work. We use a Sharpie to mark the shape. Now you should just install your mounting plate inside. There's two ways to put it. The holes are offset, so put the rear of the BOM with the bigger offset. Tighten these screws not too much, enough that you can move the plate. You should be able to move the plate, but tight enough so it doesn't move really easy. So when you install the BOM, you can set the plate, take the plate out, and then really tighten the screws. Okay, we're all set. It doesn't move very easily. Now install the plate with just a couple of screws, so you can set the angle, but you will install everything, so you don't use your app for centering the angle. Measure the wing, measure this, adjust it a little bit. Okay, that's good enough. Pull it out. And now tighten the screws so it doesn't move anymore. Nice and tight, and this installation looks much nicer than the bracket installation. And we can install the BOM as normally we do with the other installations. And now we are ready to fly. This concludes the inspection plate installation.